Stones. Now Trippier. Henderson able to ride the challenge. Here is Kane. And it's Luke Shaw galloping forward. Rashford ahead of him. And Shaw finds Rashford! What a start!
President-elect Trump is a tough talker, but Pakistan's prime minister experienced a kinder, gentler Mr. Trump, although critics call Mr. Trump's tone reckless. During a phone call with Pakistan's prime minister, Mr. Trump reportedly said to Mr. Sharif, quote, "You have a very..."
Shaw over the free kick. It's delivered by Shaw, and the knockdown for Kane. Well, he goes sprawling, but the Dutch referee says no penalty.
Very good reputation. You are a terrific guy. You are doing amazing work, which is visible in every way, and I'm ready and willing to play any role that you want me to play.